That's right. So good. This game is simple. What's that?
Uh-oh!
Hi, Daisy. I have a gift for you. Oh, really? Thank you, Mimi.
Oh, boy!
It's pufferfish. Great. I'll make super spicy fried fish.
Good job!
Pufferfish. Soy sauce. Ginger. Chili. How can I help you? Oh, maybe I need an egg. Okay. Oh, thank you, baby. Egg. Flour. Dried chili. Onion powder. Cooking oil. Korean chili sauce. Chili sauce. Water. Sugar. Wow, the food smells so good. I want to taste it. It looks so delicious.